Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Apps section. Now tap on App Lock. Following that, you need to choose Turn On and create your pattern that you will use to unlock your apps. When you're ready, repeat it in order to confirm it. And select Next at the bottom right corner. Over here, you can log into your Xiaomi account or click on Not Now and select Not Now in the pop-up. If you want to lock all of those apps, just click on Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them. Check for 0 and tap on Use App Lock then. If you want to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps, click on Settings and follow all of the instructions. If you don't, click on Cancel. Now tap on the switchers next to apps that you wish to lock, in my case YouTube. So now when I go back and try to access YouTube, icons that pattern is now required. If you want to disable app lock from this app, go into exactly the same settings, enter your pattern, and tap on the same Now Blue switcher. In order to disable app lock feature completely, click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Tap on this switcher next to App Lock feature. And lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!